Hey guys, I'm working on a project. I should be working on other projects right now, but I was actually getting ready for bed, sitting at the kitchen table, eating some soup because I was cold and still getting over the flu, and the only sound in the house was the fan here with the solid state control, and it was disturbing my peace. So I stopped what I was doing and I made a control for it, and actually really pleased with how it came out. I just took the Newton control and removed the capacitors and put in different capacitors. It's the microwave. And took a few tries to get the values I liked. This is 2.5. 4.5. Give it a little time to get up to speed. So then the two together, 7. Which for an industrial and a residential setting, I want the medium high to be more of an actual medium versus a backed off high, because you don't generally need anything that sounds like high except high in a residential setting. So this is perfect. And as you can see, a layman might think this is high until you turn the control the wrong way and then the right way and finally get high, which is a big difference. High. Wrong way again. The Newton control is backwards from what I'm used to. Medium. Medium low. Low. So I'm pleased with that, and if this fan stays, that control will stay. If I go back to the Sears, yes, microwave, I'll get it. If I go back to the Sears, then I'll put the original values back in the Newton control. And if I go back to the Leslie lock, then I'm not sure, because I don't actually remember how that behaved. So right now I think this is tied with the Sears, and the Leslie lock is second place. And in Abby's room, I think the A&G is edging out the Leslie lock, but I'm not positive. Okay, thanks for watching.